What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have an egg carton, you guys. Simple, easy, and we are going to organize our refrigerator. So, if y'all, is this upside down? Yeah. I have it upside down, so I have to do it all over again. Welcome to Always Occupied. All right, anyways, you guys, I'm just kidding. I know, I'm a dork. All right, so this is a egg roller or organizer, whatever you want to call it. Um, Not sure how many eggs you could fit in here. I actually don't have my phone. Oh, I do have my phone, but I'm not going on the TMU site for this, you guys. And I just gave y'all where got it from. All right, we got it from TMU, you guys. I told you I'm TMU hunting right now. We are getting cool products from TMU. Now, I want to see how this works. If this works good, I'll go ahead and get another one. Right here, it seems like it's supposed to be a roller right here, but it don't roll. So it must be a stopper then. All right. So you have one here, you have one here, you have one here. And we are going to go ahead and put some eggs in here. Now, I know some people, you just buy a dozen eggs. Some people buy 18 carton eggs. My family, we go to Sam's Club and we get the box. You know the box. If you're a Sam's Club person and you go grocery shopping and your kids love eggs, you know what I'm talking about already. The big box. All right. So we get the 7.5 dozen eggs, you guys. Now I know a 7.5 dozen is not going to fit in here, but we are going to test this out. So if it works good, we will purchase another one or we'll purchase a different brand to see what's the difference between different brands and mix it up a little bit in the refrigerator. But at least the eggs will be all on one side instead of just in a big box in the refrigerator. And that will be it. So let's go ahead, roll some eggs on it, and have some fun. All right, you guys. So instead of me putting this big egg carton into the refrigerator, this is from Sam's Club, just to let y'all know. All right. Just so you don't have to waste space, we have here the egg little organizer thing. And like I said, I might have to get another one because we usually buy this box from Sam's Club. So what we do is we have to put it in, and it rolls itself, I believe. I know. I think you gotta roll it. Oh, see, it rolls, and then it stops. This is kind of fun, you guys, like dominoes. Oh, and then it stops. Okay, so it kind of went on the side of it on. All right. So this is pretty fun, you guys. All right, so that's how you add the eggs in. And they don't crack when they hit each other, so that's a plus. But my eggs are going all over the place. Maybe that's how I'm putting them in. So it needs to be sideways. But that's pretty cool though.